Welcome to AI NewsTube, your briefing on what's happening in AI and tech. Our first story, Meilisearch continues to earn praise for speed, but one developer discovered an unexpected edge case while integrating its hybrid search capabilities. Meilisearch is an open-source search engine API focused on fast response times and simple deployment. More recently, it has added AI-powered hybrid search, combining keyword and vector-based semantic search. In theory, hybrid search delivers the best of both worlds. Exact matches remain highly relevant, while semantic search helps users find information even without exact keywords. The issue appeared during integration. Some queries produced ranking behavior that looked correct individually, but became inconsistent once keyword and vector results were blended. This highlights a broader challenge in AI search systems. As retrieval becomes smarter, ranking logic and evaluation metrics become increasingly important. Community feedback remains largely positive. Users praise Meilisearch for easy deployment and strong performance compared to more complex enterprise systems. The takeaway is simple. Hybrid search is powerful, but real-world query testing is essential before trusting ranking alignment. Next up, product analytics tools. A week-long comparison between PostHog and Mixpanel revealed meaningful differences in how product teams approach analytics. PostHog positions itself as an all-in-one developer platform, including analytics, session replay, feature flags, experimentation, and more. Mixpanel remains strong in event tracking and behavioral analysis, with detailed funnels and retention insights. Both tools captured behavior accurately, but differences emerged when connecting analytics workflows with broader development tasks. PostHog reduced context switching by integrating analytics, session replay, and feature management into one environment. Mixpanel delivered strong reporting, but often required additional tools to match capabilities included by default in PostHog. Community feedback highlights PostHog's free tier and self-hosting options, while Mixpanel is praised for mature analytics depth. The conclusion: PostHog suits smaller developer-led teams, while Mixpanel is stronger for analytics-focused organizations. Moving on, automation tools. Microsoft Playwright remains a popular testing framework, but a subtle browser context issue reminded developers of automation complexity. Playwright enables automation across Chromium, Firefox, and WebKit using a single API, making cross-browser testing easier. A script behaved unexpectedly during a real workflow, despite appearing correct at first glance. The root cause was browser context isolation, where shared state assumptions no longer held. These issues are difficult to diagnose because automation appears correct, while hidden configuration causes unexpected behavior. Community discussions emphasize that understanding contexts and state management is essential for reliable automation. Modern frameworks simplify testing, but careful test architecture remains necessary for reliable systems. And now, speech recognition. FunASR supports over 50 languages, emotion detection, streaming, and real-time speech recognition. The project includes speaker diarization, OpenAI-compatible APIs, and strong performance claims for real-time processing. Transcription performance remained strong across multiple real-world scenarios. Emotion detection tests in noisy environments revealed reduced consistency and reliability. Background noise and overlapping conversations significantly impacted classification accuracy. Emotion recognition remains a challenging machine learning problem due to context and audio quality. Community feedback suggests strong transcription performance, but cautious use of emotion detection. Overall, FunASR is strongest as a multilingual transcription engine rather than an emotion analysis tool. Our next story, the AI business race. Anthropic has reportedly surpassed OpenAI in valuation, becoming the world's most valuable AI startup. Recent fundraising reportedly pushed Anthropic's valuation to approximately $900 billion, ahead of OpenAI's roughly $730 billion. The rise reflects rapid growth, enterprise adoption, and increasing influence in commercial and government AI discussions. However, valuation is not the same as dominance. Investor expectations can change quickly. OpenAI maintains strong influence through ChatGPT, APIs, and ecosystem integrations. The market increasingly supports multiple AI leaders rather than a single dominant winner. Model quality is becoming a key differentiator, with developers choosing providers based on performance. The landscape continues to evolve rapidly, with no single clear long-term winner. And finally, our top story. Anthropic's Claude Opus 4.8 has arrived, and developers are testing it in ambitious software engineering workflows. Tests using deep SWE-style workflows show Claude generating substantial portions of codebases automatically. The model performs well on structure, boilerplate, and documentation tasks, but mixed results appear overall. Routine development work is significantly accelerated, reducing time for repetitive coding tasks. However, architectural consistency and complex system reasoning remain challenging for the model. Some generated code introduces local assumptions that create broader system issues. AI excels at writing code, but understanding full system requirements remains difficult. Community reaction is positive, with many praising Claude Opus 4.8 for coding performance. Experienced engineers still emphasize the importance of testing and code review. Developers recommend using AI as a collaborator with iterative feedback loops. Claude Opus 4.8 represents progress in AI-assisted development, especially for repetitive coding tasks. The key skill ahead may be directing AI systems effectively rather than writing every line of code manually. That's your AI NewsTube update for today. From search engines and analytics platforms to automation, speech recognition, and the AI industry race, it's been a busy week in technology. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Have you tried any of these tools? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode.